Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Focus, and I will show you the location of starter, fuse and relay in case your engine is not starting and you suspect a starter problem. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Now, there was a facelift in 2015, but I'm pretty sure the distribution of fuses remained the same. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now, both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side right here. To remove this cover, you'll have like a black tab here on this side. You just want to press it and lift the cover up. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram. And this red piece right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. The starter fuse, it's a fuse number F13, which is a 30 amp fuse located right here. And just under it, this is the starter relay. Well, the best way to test it is using the multimeter. If you don't have one, you can try replacing it with one of the same kind. So, for example, one of these two, and just see if that makes a difference. If it does, just buy a new relay. Shouldn't be too expensive, like $10–15 probably, and that should fix it. If not, if you're still having issues and both the fuse and relay are good, then you want to check wiring towards the starter, check the grounds, and possibly test the starter and replace it if that's the issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.